Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's a midweek update of the Wealthsimple TFSA portfolio. Before we get started and show you the portfolio, the markets have been doing quite well this week. Quite happy about that. I just wanted to thank Kasana, who signed up for a Cash App down using that link down in the description below. And I added that to my account. So thanks, Kasana. I was able to purchase a stock today. I had a dividend come through from one of my other purchases, and I purchased one share of TransAlta Renewables. So thanks very much. If you haven't signed up for Wealthsimple Cash, even if you are a Wealthsimple customer using the trade app, you can still sign up using the Cash app. Link is down in the description below. It shoots you 10 bucks. It will give me a referral fee of the same amount, which I'll put towards the TFSA portfolio. It's a win-win for everybody. So thanks to everybody that has signed up and used that link down below. Really, really appreciate it. Helps the portfolio grow. Let's just jump right into it. I'll show you how we did today. All right, here we are in the TFSA portfolio using the Wealthsimple Trade app. We had a pretty good day, up almost 1%, 0.87%, $73.70, which brings our total in the portfolio up to $8,449.28 over the $8,000 mark, which is pretty awesome to see it grow. We've had actually a good couple days on the market. We'll show you how we did today and how we closed off today. If you've been following along your portfolio, chances are, hopefully, everything is up. We had a few that were down today, but majority up today and yesterday, which is nice to see, helping the portfolio get back. We are almost in the green. Brookfield Renewables up today 3%, which is awesome, $1.28. So we have onto that one, up 3% is nice to see. We are still down, unfortunately, a little bit, but again, long term on this one, I think it's going to be great. We have 10 shares, just down a little bit though. $26.07. I think we'll get that back hopefully in the next year or so, hopefully sooner, but we'll keep adding to that one. CMC down today. This is one of the few that was down, but it has been kind of trending on the upward trend, so it's kind of nice to see. ETC though, if you've been following the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing quite well. We're seeing that today up 2%, which is nice. Closed off 1055. We're still down though, 23%. But I think we're, just with the news I've been reading, I think we're going to hopefully see this continue to grow. And as always, it's a long-term play, and I think we'll have some good returns on this in 5 to 10 years. And we'll keep adding to ETC, absolutely. Trying to keep it, like I said, about 10% of the portfolio. Greenlane Renewables, another one is down a little bit, down 3%, but again, it's okay. We'll keep an eye on this one. If we see some opportunities to jump in when the price is closer to $1, we will, to kind of get our average cost down, and then long-term goals for Greenlane Renewables, which I think will be good as well down the road. REI up just a little bit, 0.31%, which is nice though, because we are up 8.51% on the portfolio with the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, which is nice to see. And RNW. This is the one that I bought with the Cash App bonus that came through. I had a dividend come through from VDY. Dividend, I believe, we'll do an update video for all the dividends. It was $6. Plus I had the Cash App one come through, had some money left over in the account, so I was able to buy one share of TransAlta Renewables. One is better than nothing. It's nice to see the portfolio be able to grow that way. And we did close off 1.23% on the up on the day. Still down, unfortunately, 10%, but that's okay. Long-term hold. And again, regular dividends coming from TransAlta Renewables. Thanks again for signing up for that Cash App. It's really, really appreciated. Solar Alliance Energy, basically flat for the day, zero, not up, not down, that's okay. Slate Office REIT, this one's been doing okay the past couple days as well, but up 0.79% today, which is nice, $5.12. So we actually are almost back up to our average, average cost of this stock, which is nice. So only down 0.75%, and we have 65 shares of the Slate Office REIT, and I like those dividends that come every month with that one. Telus has been on a tear lately, 1.24% up today, over $31.04, which is awesome. This is kind of the, I think, channel favorite for a lot of people. Every time I mention Telus and how much I like it, I get a lot of comments down below. So let me know if you have Telus in your portfolio. Leave me a comment down below how you think it's doing. I've been quite happy with this one. As always, the ones that are doing great, you wish you had more, but again, long term, we're slowly build this portfolio up. We do have 17 shares, but we're up now 10.18%, which is nice, $48.77. I like that with Telus. It's kind of nice to see things in the green for once. VDY up a little bit, 0.15. We were up earlier in the day, as you can see here from the chart, but this one is doing well as well, up 16.25% on VDY, and that of course is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF. This is the one we had the dividend. I received it last night, I believe, came through. Might have been the night before, can't quite remember, but it was $6, which I added and we reinvested that in another stock, RNW. The last ETF, VFV, this one is doing, again, doing well as right. Closed off today up 1.14%. This is the S&P, the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. So it's a good kind of gauge on how the markets are doing. If VFV is up, the rest of your portfolio will typically, hopefully do well as well too. We are up 3.98% on that, $90.67, which is nice to see. Let's just go through and do a quick update how the portfolio is doing, because we are almost back into the green here. Up 0.87% today, but as you can see on the past week, up 2.83%, which is awesome. And on the month, we're up 2.16%, which is great. We'll see this down, unfortunately, for the past 3 months because we have taken the drop in the Evolve, the cryptocurrency ETF, which we're seeing to start come back now, which is nice. And the 1 year, because we haven't been going for quite a year, down 1.09%. So $93.46. We are almost back into the green of the portfolio. All time is going to be exactly the same because we haven't been going for quite a year. We just started this portfolio back in April. Thanks for watching this update. It's a quick one today. We'll be back later on by the end of the week. We'll typically do, we'd like to do the midweek video like today, and then we'll do one on the weekend. So if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing, follow on the channel. We've got a great community building here, getting lots of questions, getting lots of comments. People are helping each other in the comments. So if you have some questions, don't hesitate to put a comment down below in this video or any of the other videos you're watching. Chances are, if I can't get to the answer, I will do my best to point you in the right direction. But a lot of times the community is helping out, jumping in and answering people's questions as well, which is awesome to see. So if you aren't subscribed, just look down below, hit that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. It'd be great to have you join on. We almost are at 700 subscribers, which is amazing for this channel. I didn't think it would start growing this fast. Really appreciate everybody coming and watching these videos. They're fun to make. It's fun to see the portfolio grow, and I appreciate all the help and comments that everybody has given me along the way. I'm learning. Hopefully you're learning as well. We'll see you all in the next video.